Senator De La Rosa did not ride in my vehicle. Hindi ko nga alam na darating siya. Nagulat din ako. Katabi ko si Lawrence ako. Nagulat ako, wala akong idea.
I sincerely apologize to our distinguished colleague, Senator Pia Cayetano. That information was relayed to me by a very reliable source. Maski saan sumakay si Senator Bato, as everybody would agree, it is of no moment.
Tinatanggap ko po yung apology ni Senator Lacson. Lang problema sa amin yun. Kaya lang po, ako rin nakikiusap sa lahat ng kasamahan natin na mag-ingat naman tayo sa statements because these are very troubling times. Everybody's so sensitive. Sino yung kakampi mo? Lahat na ng ginawa niya tama. Sino yung tagalit?
103, hello, good evening guys.
Statement that would arouse